I definitely didn't film an intro for this video, so if you want to see a cute makeup look, just keep on watching. What's up, dogs? I am makeupless, as you can see, and I need to do my makeup so that I can go to dinner and look pretty. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I normally spray my face before I put on any makeup because my skin is so dry and disgusting. So I use this Grace and Stella rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. So just give it a good old spritz. Like, it's wet now. You can see it's wet. And I just kind of let that soak in for a little bit before I put on any primer. Yeah, I've already done my hair too. Now that that's kind of soaked in a little bit, not really, it's still really wet, I'm gonna go ahead and put on primer. You can get this from like Walmart, Walgreens, really wherever you buy milk. I use this Master Primer Base, the blue one, because it's hydrating and I feel like it makes you look more dewy for sure. I just squirt a frick ton all over my face. Rub it in. Your fingers, just do it. Your fingers aren't gonna hurt you. My skin is so red and uneven all the time. So if you know how to make your skin not red and blotchy and really not cute, then let me know. See, I feel like it kind of blurs. It kind of blurs. Does it? I don't know. Probably not. Now it's time for foundation. Born This Way. Everyone uses it. I hate spending $40. Is it $40? I think it's around $40. I hate spending that, but I think it's very much worth it. I'm getting my sponge wet. If you don't have a good base, you're screwed. So yeah, I just put that kind of like all over. I probably use way too much. That's totally fine. You can do whatever you want. And I am kind of looking in the viewfinder so I can see what's going on because I got my huge tripod and ring light camera everywhere. Can't really see what's going on in the mirror. Then you just kind of... I go really fast with it, I don't care. Oh my god. I hate when people do their foundation and they like get it up in their hair. So I actually asked you guys to ask me questions on my Instagram because I will be filming a Q&A when I get back from my trip this weekend. Because I don't have any videos out and you have no idea who I am. I feel like if I can answer your questions, you'll like me more. Foundation is on and hopefully blended. I don't know. I can't really see the mirror because of all this, but... Okay. Next is concealer. I use the one everyone uses. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've used it for like 5 years. And I just kind of go... I don't know. I used to do the big triangle thing because that's what they told you to do. And then now everyone's saying to do this little... And I've been doing it and like, works, it's good. I don't notice a huge difference. I just feel like my concealer just kind of blends into my face really, really easy, so I don't know if it makes that much of a difference. Do it however you want it. And it's just really brightening up the under eyes. But yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can. It is I am Hadley Grace. Next is powder. I use the number 7 powder, the one that looks like this, the little translucent powder. So yeah, I want to start posting more. It's kind of cringy, but don't care. I'm at the point in my life where I just don't care what anyone thinks. Powder's done. Next up is my favorite part. I freaking love doing contour and bronzer. So yeah, I don't know. If you have any video suggestions, let me know down below because I really don't know what to post. I really don't. I need your guys' help. If you want me to do vlogs, I can do that. If you haven't checked out my Disney vlog, go watch it. It's my very first video. It's not very good, but it was my first one, so. Gotta contour the nose, honey. Then we have to blend it out. Put a little contour on the forehead. So yeah, okay. We just moved into this new apartment. You can probably hear the echoes because we don't really have that much stuff in here. So if you want to see our apartment tour, let me know. It's not all done yet at all. I still need a lot more furniture, but I'll show you what we have now. I love it. And it's kind of a funny story behind us moving out. It's actually really scary. We actually had a little bit of an altercation, but I'll tell you what happened if you want to know. I'll do a little story time. It's freaky. That's all I'm gonna say. Keep on blending. Blend your life away. I'm using this middle color too, mixed with that one. So just kind of, you know. Contour's done. Moving on to blush. I use the Tarte Seduce blush. It's really, really good. I don't know, I used to hate blush. I used to never wear blush. And then I put it on one day and I was like, I've been missing out. Like when blush started getting cool again, and people put it all over their faces, I did it and I was like, why haven't I not been using blush? Like I didn't even own blush. Next is highlight. Ew, oh my god. The foundation on my lips looks so crusty. I normally wipe it off by now, but since I've been filming, I kind of forgot about it. It's disgusting. One sec. A little better. next is my favorite part. I don't know, today I'm gonna go for like kind of the neutral, kind of brown eyeshadow look. I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette that everyone had this for like 5 years, like all my makeup. I probably do need to throw it away. Don't even tell me that I need to throw it away because I know. I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna use this little shade right here, Puree. I've never read these names before. I just call it brown, light brown. I'm just kind of like going back and forth on the crease. I really just don't spend a ton of time on my eyeshadow. Can you even see that? I don't know. So yeah, I was talking about how we just moved here. We have no friends, hence why I'm making this video. Not really, I'm just joking. But no, for real, actually you guys are my only friends. So yeah, we're kind of just doing our own little thing here. Like I said, if you want an apartment tour, let me know. Most of the people I watch on YouTube are so like energetic and really happy and really sweet, and then there's me, and I'm very much, I don't know, people say that I'm really monotone and like just don't seem like I have any emotions. They think that I kind of act like a robot. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like a robot. Okay. The brown's on, it's on there. You just kind of blend till your little heart can't blend anymore. Okay, moving on. I think it's a super cute lid color. Then I used more of that Puree, that brown color from the top when I put it on the bottom. My hoes are texting me. Whoa, yeah. Who do you watch on YouTube? I want to know. I only watch like a few people, but I watch them like religiously. Like I watch all their new uploads and stuff. But I want to know who you watch and or like how you found me. How did you find me? If I know you in real life, I'm just weirded out. Anyway, yeah, I'm wearing my Kappa Delta band tee. Not in that sorority anymore. I say that like there's so much tea, but no. I just graduated, so probably should have done my eyebrows. There's one thing I'm not very good at, it's doing my eyebrows. So don't look to me for inspiration. Voila. Coming close to the end here. If you're still here, I love you. Time for mascara. Did you see that huge clump? This mascara, I swear to God, is so clumpy. Even when I try not to apply that much, it's like clump city. I'm getting bored. Okay, one thing you have to know about me is I cannot live without fake lashes. Like I've been wearing fake lashes every day, not every day, but every time I do my makeup for 5 or 6 years. I'm not even joking. Like in high school, yeah. I woke up at like 5:30 every single morning of high school. Put on my little lashes. If you're in high school, I'm so sorry. Got my lashes all glued up. Got my lashes glued up. Waiting for them to dry. Cause, okay, the top secret to putting on fake lashes, and I'm not even joking, you have got to let them dry. If they're even like a little bit gummy, it's gonna be disgusting when you put them on. It's gonna be white, it's gonna be getting sticky stuff all over your eyeballs. No, you need to just let them dry. Just be patient, I promise. That's what everyone always asks me. They're like, how do I get my fake eyelashes looking good? You probably don't let them dry enough. Once they're dry, you can go ahead and stick them bad boys on there. I just think the difference is amazing. It's crazy. Fake eyelashes just really open up your eyes. And don't be afraid after you glue them on to manipulate them with your fingers. Like a lot of people are scared to like touch them after they've been glued down, but really the glue is not gonna stick down until you really get them where you want them. I always squeeze mine like to my actual lashes to make them blend better. Just so for when you're looking at me on the side, you can't see like my like real lashes coming like under. And yes, I do normally wear fake lashes. Done. Okay. Now to do a lip really fast, and then we're gonna be done with the look. You could really do any type of lip with this, any color will look good. I'm just gonna keep it kind of natural. I'm gonna use this kind of like toasted nudish pink color. I've been loving gloss recently. I used to be a big lipstick girl. Not anymore. I just like the way gloss looks more. Of course, you can't forget setting spray because that is very important. Really spray it on there. All right, there is the completed look. I'm gonna go eat dinner now with my fiance, and yeah, I'll see you guys after.